Tired of juggling clothing's detailed textures and styling scenarios? Hiring pros is pricey, and separate shoots for product details, model fits, and multi-scene displays are tedious and time-consuming. SellerPic, an AI visualization tool for e-commerce sellers, has the multi-view product and model showcase template. Even beginners can easily create all needed visuals, product details plus model styling plus multi-angle shots. Select the multi-view product and model showcase template. Upload methods remain flexible with 3 options to choose from. There are various AI models to choose from in the bottom left corner. You can also adjust the image ratio and quantity. After making your selections, simply click Use to launch. If you feel the image's position within the canvas isn't perfect, click the hands icon and drag to adjust its placement. Click Compare to view a direct side-by-side comparison between the generated image and the original. After the image is generated, click to zoom in for details. You'll find exceptional detail restoration, so there's no need to worry about matching the original. If you encounter any issues, click the triangle icon in the top right corner to submit feedback. If satisfied with the result, download it directly. 3 formats are available. The generated materials can also be scheduled with one click and synchronously published to your store or social media accounts. Whether for product detail pages, main images, or social platforms, they fit perfectly. No more incomplete product displays or high photo costs. SellerPic's multi-view product plus model showcase template makes e-commerce marketing images easy and efficient. Log in now at www.sellerpic.ai for a hassle-free, efficient design experience.